Hello everyone, it's 23 January. Let's quickly look at the headline from the Hindu newspaper. On the first page, we have tension rises in Manipur after Meitei man's killing. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have India absence as Trump rolls out his board peace with 19 countries in attendance. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have court acquits Sajjan Kumar in 1984 anti-Sikh riots case. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have a secondary particulate matter main cause of pollution says CAQM report. Again, very important for environment pollution perspective. Then we have Punjab rolls out health scheme with free cashless treatment up to 10 lakh. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have Mumbai set to have women mayor from general category. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have relief for 50 students as JNK exam board stay call to allot MBBS seats. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have limits of household stability. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have center paving way for bonded labor by scraping Manrega, says Kharge. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Then we have officials coercing us to surrender land, says tribals. Again, very important for society perspective. Then we have Sindoor formation by Air Force fighter jets to lead Republic Day fly past. Again, very important for defense perspective. Then we have net FDI negative for 4th month in a row in November 2025. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have not easy to handle Venezuela oil will access in due course. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have RMC Maharashtra government units to aid $30 billion investment. Again, very important for economic perspective. Lastly, we have the world page where we have Trump withdraws tariffs after NATO agrees to Greenland framework. Then we have India EU to ink new pact on defense and security, says Kallas. And then we have Europe has to act now to ensure security, says Zelensky. Lastly, we have France intercepts oil tankers from Russia. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.